Hi, Cassie, your mom's here. She said, oh, I didn't think I was supposed to be training. Well, I let her know that wasn't how it was going to go. All right, so let's heel him around. So I'm just doing the pager. Keep going. You don't have to give him so many treats. He needs to see that you're in charge. All right, turn. Good. Whoops. Well, I think he thought you wanted him to down. Just make him go. Don't just tell him heel. Good. No, he's trying really hard, and he loves. I'm telling you, when it first started out, he was real picky. Remember, we had to use all those different treats, and the only thing he liked was that fish thing, and then we never could find it again. There was nowhere. I couldn't find it online, and so now he's turned into the treat monster, like the Cookie Monster. Oh, uh-oh. Keep going.
Every time I stop, he thinks I want that.
Well, but yeah, that's kind of a conditioned behavior. Andre! 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 Oh, you stay here, Andre. You stay here. All right, get him down. Whoops. Oh, whoops. All right, make him go. All right, does one of you want to try to walk him?
I'll try. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'll try.
It'll work.
Okay. Those are my keys.
Did he just eat them? Oh, Andre.
Did you just try to eat my keys? Okay. Oh, you are the best. Okay, that is my scarf.
All right, get him down.
Did you just like to eat my clothes?
All right, she wants to try working him a little bit. Let's let the kids work him too, because I think that would be good. Andre! 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 Whoops.
Tie this knot.
All right, let me get Andre away. Andre! Andre! All right, he's on the wrong side, though.
Left side. It's hard to get in there with Andre.
I know. Andre's trying to train. All right, hang on. All right, here, just kind of come back this way, girl, and let us get a hold of Andre. Do you have a leash or anything that you can put on Andre?
Yeah.
Where's your leash?
I got it.
Andre! Andre's only in kindergarten. All right, tell him down. Kind of just tap your foot. Don't move your hand. Good.
Oh.
Perfect.
I'll give him a treat.
Yeah. Yeah, he loves treats. Look at him now.
Yeah. He's a treat hog.
But the weird thing now, he spills his food all over the place. I don't know why they had that special fast-eating bowl, because he's the opposite of fast eating.
Oh, yeah?
I have to like switch up, sprinkle different food in there and stuff, or he just flips the bowl, spills it with his nose, buries it in his blankets, and then Skylar goes in there, the little blind one, and tries to get any little crumbs, and then he gets mad. And then the other day, he must have spilled some food in there because Thimble went inside his cage.
Thimble.
Because he was in his place. Oh no, he's good around Thimble actually. But I had him in his place, and so Thimble went in there. Thimble went missing, and then we found out she was in his cage because he has all these blankets in there, and so the food must have been buried in the...
Oh, she was rooting.
Yeah,
She
she
could
was...
be a truffle pig.
All right, make him go. Tell him what you want.
No.
All right, keep that hand kind of close. That's close. There you go. Perfect.
I know you want
All right, you gonna walk him next?
Probably.
All right, get him down. Perfect. He's the perfect obedient little pupil.
Just have to keep up with it.
Make him go. Well, I mean, he tries really hard. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't think he really knew too much what he was supposed to do before. All right, get him down. Okay. Do you have any pockets? No. All right, he's gonna have to get the little treat thing on somehow.
She just tied it on
Oh,
because she's small too.
well, it does adjust.
I know. You're being a good boy.
Perfect. All right, you got to call him to you. All right, get him down. Tap your foot. No, don't give it to him yet. Wait till he lays down. I'm going to add just a little. Okay, I was going to add a tiny little low nick. And Cassie, you may need to do that at home with the kids. How old are the kids?
5 and 6. No, 4 and 6.
Well, I think even the 6-year-old, though, could do the little foot stomp thing. How old is he?
He's 8. He's just
Oh.
little. Whoops.
Perfect. Tell him to heel.
You have to walk if you want him to heal.
Get him on the other side. You seem to know how to work them pretty good. All right, make him turn.
No, you cannot chew my foot.
Michael, turn the
my
other
shoe.
way.
Now, but see, Jumpy figured it out, though. Oh, he likes to lay down now.
He's like, I'm done.
All right, get him to lay down. Tap your foot. Well, they all seem to know the foot tap.
I know. Can you do that? Can you do that?
Call him. Oh, he's a tremendous companion.
He's bigger than Michael almost.
She probably weighs more than him. Whoops. Oh, Andre. All right, get him down. Wonderful. All right, guys, that concludes today's visit. Say hi to Cassie.
Hi, Cassie.
Bye, Michael.